All right, wait, you want to move in?
Yeah, Randy.
This is commitment.
It's totally cool.
Thank you guys for enjoying what is probably the second greatest moment of my life. That's okay, I can't use pics.
Oh, you can't use pics? Let me make sure you turn all the way up because I moved my volume down. Okay.
First was marrying this woman 3 years ago. Well,
2 days ago.
2 days ago.
This is really good.
You guys know any Johnny Cash songs?
Yeah.
What's your favorite Johnny Cash song?
One piece at a time.
It's sitting too long, but I don't think it's that way.
I know that one.
One piece at a time, wow.
That one? Oh, boy.
Oh, that's going to take a while.
Yeah, that'll take about 10 minutes.
It's 4 chords.
How about Ring of Fire? I think it's only 3.
3 chords.
Ring of Fire, yeah, or we're going to do False in Prison.
Whatever you want, bro. You call it.
Let's do False in Prison. I mean, Ring of Fire. I think people...
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not going to stop, is it? It's good we got chased inside.
Key of G. Equals G.
G. Do it again, dude.
It's a burning thing. And it makes a lot of ring. Can I tell you guys a quick story?
Yes.
Yeah, dude. It was 1997. I had 2 older brothers. We had one thing in common. It was a TV show. It was called Beavis and Butthead. We used to watch that show religiously. Then when Beavis and Butthead was over, we would watch the music videos on MTV that played and make fun of them the way Beavis and Butthead would make fun of them. Then this band came on. It was this band. And we found a band that we couldn't make fun of.
Sweet.
We loved this band. In fact, my 16th birthday followed, and my oldest brother, he bought me now back then buying a CD was like a big deal. He bought me a CD. Fizzy, Fuzzy, Big and Buzzy was the first release. I can only think of a couple records in my lifetime that have kind of changed my life. That's the one. You know what happened? De nada. You know what happened when I heard that record? I don't know. Prison. Railroad train was mine. Then I moved it on a little further down the line, far away from Folsom Prison. That's where I want to stay. And I'll let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away. Come on, Jimmy. In a fancy dining car, while drinking coffee and they're smoking fast cigars. But I know I had it coming. I know I can't be free.
I'm so harmonized, you bro.
I'm a fellow's whistle, and that's what you're. Thank you, Albuquerque.
Oh, dude. Nice.
Walk the line.
You know it? You know why I walked the line? Come on, you're the founder of the Fiesta. Pull one more. Come on.
8 billion.
Encore, right? Come
How about one piece at a time? That's just 3 chords.
on. One piece at a time. You got that one?
I don't know if I remember all the words of that. About a boy named Sue. That's basically the same kind of thing, right?
Sue.
Okay, what key do you do it in?
See.
So is it 145? How do you do?
Well, my dad left home when I was 3. Didn't leave much for my mom and me. Said an old guitar and an empty bottle of booze. Well, I don't blame 'cause he run me hit, but the meanest thing they ever did before he left, he went, he named me Sue. Well, he must have thought that was quite a joke. He got a lot of laugh from a lot of folks. Seems I had to cry my whole life through. Some guy went tickle, I turned red, some guy was laughing, I busted his head, you know. Life ain't easy. So I grew up tough and I grew up mean. My fists got hard, my wits got keen. I drove from town to hide my shame. God made me a vow to the moon and the stars. I searched the mountains on some Mars and killed that man who gave me that awful name. I was in Albuquerque mid-July. I went to town, my throat was dry. I thought I'd stop and have myself a brew. I was in Old Saloon on a street of mud. There on the table stood the dealing stud. There was a mangy dog named me Sue. Well, I knew that man's my old sweet dad from the worn out pictures my mother had. And I knew the scar and sequins eagle eye. He was big, fit, gray and old. I looked at him, my blood red coat said, "My name is Sue. How do you do? Now you're gonna die." Take it away. every now and then I think about him every time I win. If I ever have a son, I think I'll name him PH, Roger, Jim, Nick, anything but Sue.